What's up, guys? You might have probably heard about meta verification, and then you want to know much about it, and then you want to know how you can also get verified on Facebook, Instagram with meta verification. Okay, this is an account that just got verified from meta verification, and then I want to explain to you guys how you can also get verified using this new feature. Okay, so if you want to get verified on Facebook or Instagram using the meta verification feature, let me show you guys exactly what you need to do. The first thing you gotta do is to click on Facebook. Alright, so when you click on your Facebook application and then log into your account, the next thing you want to do is to click on menu, and then here you go to scroll down. Alright, scroll down to settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Alright, so now you go to click on account center. From account center, around this space, you're going to see a meta verification or a meta verified option. But if in case you did not see it in your account center, let me show you what you need to do so that you will also be eligible to, get the verification, okay, or to get the meta verification option in your account. What you need to do is to go back. Okay, just go back. When you go back, search for a verified account. Okay, search for a verified account. So let me go with this account that is verified already. See, this account is verified. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you have your name, your real name, your authentic name, put it in your account. And then the next thing you want to do is to provide a valid ID card. It could be your national ID card, your driver's license, or your passport. So when you have all these stuff ready, when you get to the verified account, click on the verified badge, click on it, and then you're going to see this right up. You can read through and then understand what they mean. So from here you're going to see join the waiting list for meta verified. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on join the waiting list for meta verified. Okay, so you're going to see this message saying thanks for your interest. We will send you a notification when meta verified is available to you. Notification may be sent via email or appear in your Facebook or Instagram app. All right, so that is just it. If you think that this video have provided the information you wanted, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section, like this video, and then share with your friends, guys. Peace out.